Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whenever and wherever you may be listening to this recording or watching this recording. If you've been with me for a while now, you must have heard me talking about the Bekenet trading software. So the Bekenet trading software is actually an app, all right, that gives you an alert on when to buy and when to sell. Now, it's a trading software, is not a bot. Okay, it's not a bot. It does not take trade for you. It does not buy or sell for you. Now, it analyzes the trade and gives you an alert, all right, to buy or to sell. And there are conditions to look for to actually confirm if the alert is okay or not. So now let me now go into the app. Okay, let me go into the app. Okay, so this is the app. Now, if you've not created an account before, so when you have the link, when you click on the link, this is how the page will look, and the page will come like this. All of these are video. Like, this is the first video you need to watch, this one with a bell. Okay, but before then, you must have done your registration. This is where you do your registration. Okay, this is where you do your registration, where you have your name, phone number, email address, password, confirm password. Okay, so that's where you need to do your registration. Then whenever you want to log in, you already have an account, you come straight to this login, and you click on login to login. Okay, so let me click on login now. Then you put in your email and your password, then you log in. Okay, so right now I'm particular about the overview. Okay, continue. I'm particular about the AI overview. So I'll be going into World Trade Synthetic. Today is Saturday, the 27th of September. So this is World Trade Synthetic. World Trade Synthetic. All right. So this World Trade Synthetic signal, then World Trade Synthetic tools. So what I'm looking for is actually on World Trade Synthetic signal. So market overview AI. Now we have the rejection zone. We have the trending pair. All right. This is risk management and all of that. So all of them have their different. I will talk on each of them, but this video is particular about the AI overview. Okay, so let me click on it now. AI. Okay, so I want to use a particular pair to do this video today. Let me go to FSVol 80. FSVol 80. FSVol 80. So okay, so this is FSVol 80. So at the beginning of this month, all right, so now what this guy does is that it tell you what's the direction for the market for the week, for the day, and the midday. Okay, so there's a turning point during the midday around 12:01. You'll get to know that, okay, when you come here, you will see that. But you don't just buy or sell when you see buy or sell here. You must wait for alert. Okay, so at the beginning of the month, so we got this alert at the beginning of the month. We got this alert. Okay, so this is monthly turning point. What it means is that this market is actually buying presently. You see this buy. Okay, see this buy. Okay, this buy. That may not be what it is at the beginning of the month. Okay, it may also be the same, but now this language is telling you that there is a turning point for monthly. So this actually dropped on the first day of the month. So now you want to follow this thing. All right, you on the first day of the month, you want to look out for the alert all right, for monthly. So if you're a swing trader, you want to look out for the alert for monthly. As soon as you know the direction of a particular asset, you want to watch out for the signal to come, and you look at it, you align it, and you enter that trade, you go to sleep. So now let me go to the chart now. So I'm going to copy the price. I think I did already. I'm going to copy the price, which is this. This is the price, okay? Say sell, professional, sell, okay? Say professional use only, strong turning point zone to sell at this price. Once price fails to break it. So the market was buying for the previous month, all right, but the market hit that place and bounce, so it's going back there for the second time. Now the system, the AI is telling us that if the price fails to break this zone, then the market should turn to a sell. So this is, I'm going to copy it now. I already have it, but let me still copy it to confirm. Okay, so this is 164.804.23. so I'm going to copy it now. Let me go to the chart now. So this is my MT5. Okay, this is my MT5. Okay, so now I'm going to go to daily. Okay, so when I go to daily, all right, so can you see this line? Can you see this price line? This is the price line I'm talking about now. This is the same price I just copied, 164.804.23. So let me click on it. Let me click on it. So edit. Now look at it. The same thing I copied. So even if I paste, it's still the same thing. So now the line is there. So now you want to check. This is you have seen this on the first day of the month. Now let me bring out my crosshair. So can you see the date? Can you see the date? This is okay. Which date is this? 25:09 second. Okay, so see first. This is first. This is first. This candle is first. Where you're seeing my crosshair is first, and this is second. So now this is the zone. It's telling you that if price failed to break this zone, then there is going to be a strong sell. Ordinarily, as a trader, you see this one on the second, you see this one on the third. For me, if I get this red candle close on the third, I'm going to enter this trade whether an alert is coming or not. But for you who is not a professional trader yet, all right, you want to wait for an alert, all right, to confirm that the buy has resumed, all right, the sell has resumed before you enter. So can you now see the move down? Can you see the move? Let me show you. This is what the AI gave you on the first day of the month. On the first day of the month, then for the next 3 days. So this is the last two green candle are first and second. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for the first 3 to 11th day of the month, the market actually sold. The market sold. So look at now. The market sold to this level and did a pullback. This is where the price is right now. Okay, so now this is for the monthly. This is how to use the monthly. Okay, now by this time, when this market started moving, you would have gotten an alert. So let me check. Although if you are doing recording like that, this alert, they will be hidden. So you can see Chrome, Bekenet, all of them are hidden. All right, but if they were not hidden, I would have shown you what they look like. But for those of us who are already using it, you already know what the signals look like. So I wanted to show the signal. Okay, so right now, let's now go back to the app. Let's go back to the app. Now, on this same FS Vol 80, now this is monthly turning point. This happened on the second day of the new month. Then this weekly turning point, you are going to be looking for it on Sunday morning. Okay, so midnight Saturday, midnight, Saturday midnight, right from 1 a.m. you want to check for it, okay, and see if you have a weekly turning point. So now for here there is no one. Let me go to the first line. Okay, so you can see this weekly. You can see this weekly. This is weekly. This one here is weekly. This is weekly turning point. Okay, so now for this is flip one. It's telling us as at this new week, this week we are now. Okay, so that's like Sunday morning. You would have gotten this, and you will copy this price and go and paste on flip one and wait for a reaction at that zone, or you want to wait for the alert. Okay, now for today, this morning, okay, I already said what today's date is earlier. For today, this morning, I just woke up now and I check and I saw that there is an alert. I mean, there is a turning point for today on the same vol 80 we are looking at. So look at it. It says daily turning point, strong turning point zone to buy, all right, at 127,282.49. Say once price fail to break it, daily turning point. Say once price fails to break it, daily turning point. So this will be a daily turning point. So now this is the price. I already copied it and dropped, but let me still copy it again. So let me go to the chart now. Now this is the chart. So can you see it? Can you see it? This red line. Let me. Now this is the red line now. This red line here. This one. Okay. So now I'm going to touch it now to edit. I'm going to touch it to edit. This is not what I need. Okay, so this is what I need. Yeah. Okay, so now this is the price 127,282.49. So it's the same thing I'm going to paste now. So let me paste the same thing. So I save. So now this is the line. Okay, this is the line. This is the line. You have the line here. Okay. So now, as soon as I got that, what did I do? I just look at the chart. Okay, I look at the chart. I already have this trend drawn. I already drawn this wedge. If you look at this wedge, I already drawn this wedge before. Okay, so I drew this. So ordinarily, I'm waiting for price to break above. All right, break above or break below. So if you break above, I wait for a retest, then I enter. Now it happens that by the time I will wake up to look at it now, I woke up this morning, that was around to 4, and I look at it, the market already broke above. If it was something I saw earlier on 5 minutes, on 15 minutes, this is what I would have entered and taken the first profit. Okay, so this was the break. Okay, this was the retest. This is the continuation. So I would have entered from this level. Okay, so if I had entered from that level, I would have taken profit. Here. All right, before this pullback now, and probably continuation. But the good thing is that I woke up to now see that there's already an alert from there's already a signal on the Bekenet trading app. All right, giving us a turning point. Okay, so I already entered this trade. As you can see, now the trade is doing $6 already. It's doing $6 from entry. Now, where did I put my stop loss? My stop loss is below the point. Okay, the turning point. This is the turning point 127,282.49, and I have to drop my my XL below it. Then this is where I kept my take profits, and if you look at them, this is 1:2.5 risk to reward ratio. Okay, now frankly the truth is that I may not wait for the entire TP to close my trade. I may see some kind of delay in terms of maybe consolidating at a point, or just if I'm okay with the profit, I can just take my profits and look for another trade. Okay, so this is how to use the Bekenet trading software AI overview. It's the most perfect I've ever seen. So we have the rejection zone, we have the trending pairs, we have the directional bias for all of it, and you can set alert for all of these things. And when there is the price hits each of these prices, it will give you an alert to say price has just reached this zone. Okay, so let me end it here for the AI overview. If there are questions, leave them on the comment section. I will try as much as possible to answer them. So let the video not be too long. Let me stop it here now.